My God is not a narcissist, vengeful, rageful, egotistical, jealous, uh, punitive, conditionally loving being. My God is all love all the time and nothing but. And my God is allowing me a human experience and watching me continue to participate in a human experience, to make mistakes, to solve problems, to have victories, to have successes, to skin my knee, knowing that we're all evolving all at the same time. And I don't believe that God is a sky daddy. I just believe it's a force that contains all things seen and unseen. The isness and the nothingness. God is all things all the time and all love. And we are all part of God, one with God, and in lockstep with God.